This is the third in a series of videos on Introduction to Exponential Functions, and at the end of the last video I asked you to do these three problems. Identify these functions as either exponential growth or decay, identify the starting value, and identify the growth or decay rate. So what I want to do first is go over the answers to each one of these, and then if you need to, we can go over the answers of those. So let's look at each one of these in turns. The first one is y is equal to 109, 1.3. So here, this is growth. The starting value is 1.43. And the growth rate is equal to 0.43 or 43%. Let's see if you got those right. The second problem, you were asked to figure out f of x is equal to 80, 0.96 raised to the x. Now f of x and y mean really the same thing here. Here, this is actually a decay, exponential decay. And the starting value is 80, right? That's the starting value. And here, the decay rate, now be a little bit careful with your semantics here. You can either say the decay rate here is 4% or 0.04, or you can say the growth rate is minus 4% or minus 0.04. Either one of those answers would be fine. And let's look at the third one. The third one here, the starting value is 12. This is growth as well. Now be careful, a lot of people think this is, because it's a fraction, it's decay, but it's not, because 5/3 is greater than 1, so this is exponential growth function. And to find the growth rate, this is exponential growth, because this is greater than 1. And the way that you find, remember 5/3 is equal to 1 plus r. So the way that you figure out what r is you simply subtract 1 from both sides. So that's 5/3 minus 1. You have to put over common denominator. And you get 5/3 minus 3/3, where r is 2/3. Now what does 2/3 mean? 2/3 is in the decimal is 0.67, or 66 repeating, so that means essentially a growth rate of 66%. So those are the answers to part 3. Well, there was another video that will provide explanations of that, or you can go back and watch the previous video if you had any trouble with the answers on those.